Welcome to our channel. If you need to download your bank statement for record keeping or applications, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your statements electronically. Step 1. Visit your bank's official website and log into your online banking account using your username and password credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Statements section by looking for links labeled Statements, Documents, e-Statements, or Account History in the main menu. Step 3. Select the specific account for which you need a statement, such as checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Choose the statement period you want to download by selecting the month and year from the available options in the drop-down menu. Step 5. Click on the Download or View button next to your selected statement. Most banks offer statements in PDF format for easy viewing and printing. Step 6. Choose whether to open the statement immediately in your browser or save it directly to your computer's Downloads folder for later access. Step 7. Verify that the downloaded statement is complete and readable by opening the PDF file and checking that all pages and transactions are visible. Step 8. Save the statement in an organized folder structure on your computer and consider creating backups on external drives or cloud storage for security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.